Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Snapchat account. As Snapchat is an app where you can create videos, or you can call it Snap, by using your phone, and Snapchat is famous by its filter or effects. So if you want to enjoy the Snapchat apps on your phone, you need to create the account. And if you haven't downloaded the apps, you can find these Snapchat apps on your Google Play Store or on App Store if you are using an iPhone or iOS. So here you can just go to the Google Play Store and find Snapchat, and after you found it, you can just install it on your phone. So as you guys can see, I've already installed the app. Now you can just open after you install the app. So this is the how it will look like if you haven't had any account on Snapchat. So if you want to create one, here you can use or you can use your Google account to create Snapchat account, or you can just click on the sign up button and then click on continue. Here you can create the Snapchat account by filling this form. You can add your name in here. So for example, I'm going to just go with Jen Do. You can tap on continue. Now you can insert your birth date. For example, I'm going to just go with okay. Now you can tap on continue, and here the username will automatically be created. Here you can also change your username if you didn't like it, but I'm not going to, so you can just go back, tap on continue, and now you can set a password. So here I'm going to just go with here you can choose to save the login info on your device or not. I'm not going to, so you can just click on continue, and now here you can use your emails. Okay, so after you set up the password and also insert your email and everything, here you'll be asked to add friends, but since I'm not recognizing any of this, I'm going to just skip this part. Okay, you can click on skip, and here you can create your bit emoji. You can use your camera to instantly create an avatar that looks like you. I'm not going to skip this again. Okay, so just like this, the Snapchat account will automatically create it, and you have successfully creating a Snapchat account. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to install and create your own Snapchat account. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.